Thomas. I've been working with Electronic Locksmith for over 3 years. Nowadays, after my 3 years of work, I am more relaxed. It's a lot more enjoyable to work, actually. What I like to do for fun is be social, kind of hang out, but I have my friends and my wife. I got 2 cats. They're very playful and they're fun and a joy to be around. A lot of our other techs here have done a pretty good job at inventing new tools or anything like that to make the workplace a bit easier for all of us. And yeah, we work together a lot. We get things done and it's pretty efficient. People who know me pretty well would say that I'm a hard worker, I'm quiet, and sometimes I'm funny.